Are you over 40 and wondering if it's too late to start generating passive income online? Think again. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a way to secure your financial future, I've got several actionable tips to help you start earning money passively online. Grab a notebook because you're going to want to take some notes. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to leverage your experience with online courses. You've spent decades building expertise in your field, so why not turn that knowledge into a passive income stream? I recommend that you create an online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. For example, if you've been a project manager for several years, you could develop an online course on mastering project management. With a bit of upfront work, you could earn money every time that someone enrolls. I recommend that you start by outlining your course structure and the content, then record your lessons using some simple tools like a webcam and a screen recorder. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Many platforms offer step-by-step guides to help you through the process. Once your course is live, I suggest that you promote it through social media and relevant online communities to start generating passive income. Now, don't forget to continually update and improve your course based on the student feedback. This not only keeps your content relevant, but also helps to increase your ratings and ultimately your sales. With time, your course could become a reliable source of passive income. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to write an ebook or self-publish a guide. Do you have specialized knowledge or a unique life story? Writing an ebook or self-publishing a guide can be a great way to earn passive income. For instance, if you've successfully transitioned from a traditional career to freelancing, you could write a guide on making that leap. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing makes it very easy to publish and sell your ebook. I recommend that you begin by outlining your content, breaking it down into chapters and writing a little bit each day. You don't need to write a 300-page novel. Even a concise, focused guide can attract readers if it provides real value. I recommend that you add practical advice, actionable steps, and personal anecdotes to make your book really stand out. Now, once you've published, you can then promote your book on social media, in relevant forums, and through email marketing. Over time, as your book gains positive reviews and starts to climb the rankings, it can become a consistent source of passive income, earning you money long after the initial effort. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is to invest in dividend-paying stocks. If you've been saving for years and you have some capital, investing in dividend-paying stocks is a classic way to generate passive income. Unlike other forms of investing, dividend stocks pay you on regularly just for holding them. For example, companies like Coca-Cola and Procter & Gamble have been paying consistent dividends for decades. I suggest you start by researching stable companies with a long history of dividend payouts. I recommend that you consider diversifying your portfolio to minimize the risk. If you're new to investing, platforms like Vanguard or Robinhood offer user-friendly interfaces that make it very easy to get started. Reinvesting your dividends can help your wealth grow faster, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Over time, your dividend payouts can increase, providing a steady stream of income without additional effort on your part. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to create a niche blog or a website. If you have passion or expertise in a particular area, I recommend that you consider starting a niche blog or website. For example, if you're an avid gardener, you could create a blog offering various different gardening tips, product reviews, and how-to tutorials. You can monetize your site with affiliate marketing, ads, or by selling your own products. I suggest you start by choosing a specific niche that isn't oversaturated. Then you need to create high-quality content that provides real value to your readers. You can use SEO strategies, which is search engine optimization, to help your blog rank higher in search engines like Google, which will help to attract more visitors and increase your earning potential. As your blog grows, you can diversify your income streams by offering paid memberships, creating an online store, or even developing an app related to your niche. While it takes some time to build traffic, once your blog begins to gain some momentum, it can become a lucrative source of passive income. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to invest in real estate crowdfunding. Real estate investing is often seen as a young person's game, but platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul make it accessible to everyone, including those over 40. These platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects without needing large amounts of capital, and they offer the potential for passive income through rental payments and property appreciation. I suggest you start by researching different crowdfunding platforms to find one that suits your investment goals and risk tolerance. I recommend that you look for projects with solid returns and low fees. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to diversify your investments across different properties, which can reduce risk. One of the benefits of this approach is that you don't have to manage the properties yourself. The platform does all the heavy lifting. As your investments grow, you can reinvest your earnings into new projects, creating a snowball effect that increases your passive income over time. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to license your photography or your artwork. If you've been honing your photography or artistic skills over the years, why not turn your work into a passive income stream? Websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock allow you to upload your photos, illustrations, or designs and earn money every time someone downloads them. I recommend that you start by curating a portfolio of your best work, focusing on high demand subjects like business, travel, or even nature. Quality and uniqueness are key images that stand out and are more likely to be downloaded. Now, once you've uploaded your images, your portfolio can earn you passive income as it's discovered by users worldwide. Now, I recommend that you keep in mind that trends and demands will change, so it's important to continually update your portfolio with fresh content. With time and effort, your collection could become a steady source of income, providing returns on work you've already done. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to create a YouTube channel focused on your passion. If you're comfortable in front of a camera, starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and profitable way to generate passive income. For example, if you're passionate about cooking, you could create a channel where you share recipes, good cooking tips, and product reviews. You can then monetize your channel with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. I recommend that you begin by brainstorming video ideas that will resonate well with your target audience. Consistency is the key, so upload videos regularly to build a following. I recommend that you use very eye-catching thumbnails and highly engaging titles to attract more viewers. Now, don't worry if you're not an expert video editor. Authenticity often trumps perfection on YouTube. As your channel grows, you can explore additional income streams such as creating a membership community or selling your own products. Over time, your YouTube channel can become a significant source of passive income, earning you money even when you're not actively creating content. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to rent out a spare room on Airbnb. If you have extra space in your home, renting it out on Airbnb can be a straightforward way to earn passive income. Whether it's a guest room, a finished basement, or even a second property, listing it on Airbnb allows you to generate income with very minimal effort. I recommend that you start by preparing the space to make it appealing to guests. So you need to clean it out, declutter, and add thoughtful touches like fresh linens and local guidebooks. I recommend that you set a competitive price by researching similar listings within your area. Airbnb's platform guides you through the process, from creating a listing to communicating with guests. You can also choose how often to rent out the space, giving you flexibility to host guests only when it's convenient for you. Over time, as you build up positive reviews, you can increase your rates and enjoy a steady stream of passive income. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to automate an e-commerce store. E-commerce isn't just for tech-savvy millennials. You can start and automate an online store at any age. I recommend that you use platforms like Shopify or Etsy to sell products, whether they're handcrafted goods, digital downloads, or dropped shipped items. Now, with the right setup, your online store can generate sales 24/7 without requiring constant attention. I recommend that you begin by researching a niche market that is in high demand and select products that have good demand but aren't overly competitive. I recommend that you use tools like Oberlo or Printful to automate the product sourcing and fulfillment. This way, orders are processed and shipped automatically, reducing your workload. I recommend that you focus on marketing your store through social media such as Instagram and TikTok and email campaigns, and you can also use search engine optimization. Once your e-commerce business is up and running, you can explore additional automation tools to handle customer service and inventory management, freeing up your time while your income continues to grow. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to create and sell digital products. If you have a knack for creating digital content, I suggest you consider developing and selling digital products like templates, printables, or even software tools. For example, if you're skilled in graphic design, you could create and sell social media templates or printable planners on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. I recommend that you start by identifying a niche where there's a high demand for digital products. You can also research what similar creators are offering and look for gaps or opportunities to improve upon existing products. Once you've created your digital product, you can sell it repeatedly with minimal additional effort. Each sale adds to your passive income without requiring any more work. Now, to help you maximize your income, I recommend that you consider bundling products or offering them as part of a subscription service. I suggest you promote your digital products through social media such as Instagram and TikTok, email marketing, and collaborations with influencers or other creators. Over time, your digital products can generate a reliable stream of passive income, allowing you to earn more money more passively. Okay, so there you have it, 10 powerful tips you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further and make sure you achieve the results you want online is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can access instantly our ultimate comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are formidable resources and they are going to help you create a profitable online business. When you access these online training programs, which are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure and an honour to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. I wish you all the best for creating your own profitable online business and have a wonderful day.